We start with an important property. If A1, B1, C1 are respectively cofactors of elements A1, B1, C1 of the determinant delta A equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, then capital A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 equal to delta squared. Area of the triangle having vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 can be expressed in determinant form as 1 by 2 x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1. Condition for the equation ax square plus 2hx square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 representing a pair of straight lines can be written in determinant form as first row AHC, second row HPF, third row GFC equal to 0. The 2-point form of straight line joining the points A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2, can be expressed in determinant form as x1, xy1, xy1, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 equal to 0. Three points with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear if x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 equal 0. Three straight lines having equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equals 0, are concurrent if a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 equal to 0. Multiplication of determinants. a1 b1 a2 b2 L1 M1 L2 M2. So this can be obtained in 4 possible ways. Matrix multiplication, row by column only possible. Here, as usual method, A1 taking first row, first column, A1 L1 B1 L2 taking first row, second column, A1 M1 B1 M2, second row A2 L1 plus B2 L2, second row, second column, A2 M1 plus B2 M2. This is row by column, multiplication. Suppose we can apply row by row method. Take first row and here also first row, A1 L1 plus B1 M1, first row with second row, A1 L2 plus B1 M2, second row with first row, A2 L1 plus B2 A2 L1 plus B2 M1, A2 L2 plus B2 M2, that is row by row multiplication. So all are possible. Even you can apply column by column and column by row. Let it's a previous year question. Let D belongs to R. and A equal to -2 1 5 4 plus D sin theta plus 2 2 sin theta minus D sin theta minus 2 here D minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2D. Theta belongs to 0, 2 pi close interval. If the minimum value of denominator is 8, then a value of D is option A 2 into root 2 plus 2, B minus 7, C minus 5, D 2 into root 2 plus 1. First one, determine A, apply. Remove this brackets. We can apply elementary transformation. Make the elements into simple terms. Or make elements into 0. If we add this one with this one, D minus D 0. If we add 4 plus 2 sin theta and multiply 2 and subtract, this will be 0. So, applying in place of R1 plus R3 minus 2R2 gets denominator equal to R1 minus 2, R3 5 minus 2 plus 5 3 minus 2R2 minus 2, answer 1. So, in this place 1. Here 4 plus D plus 2 sin theta minus D minus 2 sin theta minus 4. Or adding these two and multiplying by 2 and subtracting. D will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, 0 only will get it. Here 0. The same thing you are applying here. Sin theta minus sin theta will be cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2 cancelled. multiply by 2 means 2d. 2d minus 2d will be cancelled. So 0 here also 0. 1 sin theta plus 2 d. 5 2 sin theta minus d. 5 2 sin theta minus d minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d. So you know that a determinant can be expanded using any row or any column. We can expand by first row, determinant a into 1 into these 4 values, sin theta plus 2 d, 2 sin theta minus d, minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d. 2 plus sin theta into minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d minus d into 2 sin theta minus d. Minus 2 sin theta plus 4 plus 4d minus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2d sin theta minus 2d sin theta plus d squared. Minus 2 sin theta plus will be cancelled. Minus 2d sin theta plus 2d sin theta will be cancelled. So determine a equal to d squared plus 4 plus 4d minus sin square theta, that is d plus 2 whole square minus sin square theta. So minimum value of determinant A. Equal to sin theta is minimum when it's minus 1. So d plus 2 the whole squared minus minus 1 whole squared, which is given as 8. D plus 2 whole squared minus 1 equal to 8. D plus 2 whole squared equal to 9. So d plus 2 equal to plus or minus 3. D plus 2 equal to 3. D plus 2 equal to minus 3. D equal to 1. D equal to minus 5. So option C D equal to -5. Let A equal to two B1 B square plus 1 B 1 B2 where B is greater than 0. Minimum value of determined A by B is A equal to -√3 B equal to √3 D equal to -2√3. So find determine A, apply. So determine 2 into 2b squared plus 2 minus b squared. If we expand b into 2 into downward minus upward minus b into 2b minus b into 2b minus b plus 1 into b squared minus b squared minus 1 2 into b squared plus 2 minus b into b minus 1 2b squared plus 4 minus b squared minus 1, that is b squared plus 3. B square plus 3 by B B plus 3 by B AMs is greater than equal to GM. B plus 3 by 2 greater than equal to B into 3 by B. This will be cancelled. B plus 3 by B greater than equal to 2√3. So greater than equal to 2√3. So option B is correct.